What happens when off-road power meets 5-star luxury? You get a machine that turns every horizon into home. This is the Bushline Glide 6x6. Welcome back to DYD Auto, your go-to channel for everything bold, luxurious, and off the beaten path. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most fascinating new entries in the world of high-end expedition vehicles. This is not your average RV, it's a blend of military-grade engineering and ultramodern comfort. Built for those who crave adventure without giving up luxury, the Bushline Glide 6x6 represents the perfect balance between toughness, innovation, and elegance. Its front fascia features angular LED headlights, a wide grille with active cooling vents, and reinforced bumpers crafted from lightweight carbon steel. The elongated body rides on a 6-wheel chassis with independent suspension, providing exceptional ground clearance and visual authority. Inside, the cabin transforms from rugged explorer to luxury sanctuary, filled with vegan leather, recycled wood panels, and brushed aluminum accents. Underneath, the 4.0L twin-turbo diesel hybrid engine delivers 610 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque, paired with a triple-axle 6-wheel drive for optimal traction. Whether climbing boulders, crossing rivers, or racing across dunes, the Glide handles it with effortless confidence. The onboard Bushline Command OS manages everything from climate to terrain monitoring via AI automation. It even includes a 360-degree drone dock for aerial scouting and satellite connectivity for navigation in the most remote areas. Safety remains a core focus, with adaptive cruise control, auto braking, terrain recognition, and rollover mitigation built in. The base model starts at $980,000, while the Expedition Elite trim can exceed $1.2 million. With hybrid efficiency, advanced technology, and rugged endurance, this is a machine made for those who see adventure as a lifestyle. Bushline's customization program lets each owner tailor the Glide through the bespoke series, ensuring no two are alike. Because adventure isn't about the miles you travel, it's about the life you live between them. The Bushline Glide 6x6 redefines freedom. Go anywhere. Stay anywhere. Live in total comfort while doing it. Thank you for watching DYD Auto. Drive beyond boundaries, live without limits, and keep your journey rolling strong. Music fades out.